Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am giggly because, as you can see by the title, I will be attempting to style and install my first lace front. If you are new here, I just started wearing wigs a month and a half ago, but those two wigs you guys saw were closure wigs. I have someone who is making a lace front wig for me right now, and I thought to myself, okay, so instead of messing up that one, let me go ahead and buy, an affordable wig off Amazon and just test it out myself, seeing if I can figure out what I'm doing here. And if not, then when that one comes, I'll just have someone install it for me. So I went ahead to Amazon and I got this wig from Linda. I'm assuming it's Linda and not, like Are You Linda, which it very well could be, but the link will be in the description box down below. I will insert what the box looked like when I opened it and what the wig looked like when I opened it, because it does not look like how it looked when I got it. When I got it, I got the shortest length that they had. They have 10, 12, and 14, I believe. I got the 10-inch one, which I think came out to $100, $102. Again, everything will be in the description down below. It was still a little too long for me, if I wanted, especially since it's a hair color that's pretty much my own hair color. I wanted to do something really short, so I did go ahead and cut the wig, and then I also washed and deep conditioned the wig, and after that I did attempt to style it with some baby hairs there. So this is what the wig looks like now. No, this is what the wig looks like now. Okay, this is as good as we're gonna get in frame here. This is what it looks like now, and now I'm going to attempt to style it. Oh, and one more time before I stop talking for the rest of the video, this is not the video you should be watching if you're looking for someone who actually knows what they are doing. I watched several videos just to get the idea that I have right now, that I think I have, on how to apply this. So all the videos that I've watched of people who actually know what they're doing, like Alfred Lewis, Aaliyah's Face, Arnell, Petite Sue, all of those videos will be linked in the description down below. I suggest you go watch them if you would like someone who knows what they're talking about to tell you what to do, because I don't. So I started out by cutting my ears from the wig cap. Everyone I watched said they saw this idea from Glamazante. It's just supposed to make it easier securing the wig cap closer to your skin. And then I use freeze spray to secure the wig cap to my hairline. You're supposed to, spray it on and kind of blend it into your hairline. I kept putting my hair back because I didn't want it to run down my forehead, even though it did. And yeah, don't judge me on the blow dryer. I couldn't find my actual blow dryer, so I just had to use this on Cool to help dry it. Make sure that's dry. And then I did the same thing, so I did 2 layers of it, and here you can see it just dripping down my forehead. And dry it again. This part was kind of confusing, everyone said you're supposed to use foundation on the wig cap, but my wig cap's already brown, so I felt like this was kind of pointless, but I did it anyway. And now I'm going to razor off the excess cap that was not glued down with the freeze spray. I wanted to point out these scissors to you guys. Alfred said that these were easier to cut your hairline because they have those razor edges. And here I'm just trying the wig on to see how it's gonna look on my head. It kind of fit on one side, and then the other side you can see the flap kind of goes over my ear, and I don't want to glue it down like that, so I had to cut it off. And now I'm just using a lip liner to mark off where I need to place the glue, even though I still ended up gluing past that and had to remove the glue with some alcohol. So I already have the wig on my head. I'm going to peel it back some so that I can start applying the glue. And then I'm just using this little, what is this called? This, y'all know what it is. Popsicle stick to apply the glue in some layers. I think I did 2 layers? No, I did 1 layer. and use my good old blow dryer there to help that dry down. Oh, make sure it's not fully dry. That's one thing I've learned. Make sure it's not fully dry, just tacky enough. And then start pushing the wig down. You're not supposed to really use your fingers because the oils will make it not stick to the adhesive. So I didn't have a comb, so I just used the end of the razor that I used to take off the wig cap. And then, you know, help it dry a little bit more with my blow dryer on cool. And then I just wrapped my head for about 5 minutes so it could really stick down. And I want to show you guys these little spoolies. They're supposed to help you create baby hairs. And that is it for me and this wig that does not have a name yet, and I can't think of any, so let me know any ideas you guys have in the comments down below, and I'll throw up a poll somewhere on what to name her. Now, as far as the styling goes, you know, I feel like she a little uneven on this. I might have to cut this side down a little bit, but I also feel like, you see how this is kind of like sitting up higher on this side? That might also be why it's coming off a little uneven to me. But you know, I tried there with cutting this wig down. I also feel like maybe I just can't pull off bob looks, like short hair. I feel like I also low-key can't pull that look off. And then the baby hair is really the only other styling that I did. I'm wondering if you guys can hear my stomach growling right now. If you can, my bad. I don't do baby hairs on my own hair, so that was a struggle for me there. But you know, let me know, because I feel like some people say you need baby hairs with wigs to make it look natural, and some people say you don't. Let me know where you stand there. But that's not the point of this video. The point was, you know, installing it. So when people who actually know how they're styling lace fronts know what they're doing, send me one. I can apply it. And I feel like for, you know, the first go around at any of this, it's not that bad. You know, the lace might not fully be melted into my skin there, but you know, I feel like it's not horrible there. I do actually have Ghost Bond glue. I didn't use it because I feel like, you know, when you're a beginner, baby steps there. So that's why I tried applying it with the black Got To Be glue first, just so I could get like, you know, a feel of how all of this works. And you know, one day maybe we'll step it up here to this. Yeah, any suggestions that you guys have will be taken and considered in the comments down below. Let me know. But yeah, that really pretty much is, I feel like my face is coming off orange. That's not the point, again, of this video. I feel like that's pretty much it for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Oh wait, you might want to know a thing or two about this wig. So it's supposed to be pre-plucked and bleached. I don't really know about the bleached. I mean, because again, I'm new to this, so I couldn't really tell if it was bleached or not. Because it looked, I mean, compared to what I've seen in other people's videos, it looked bleached. But I remember Alfred saying that you don't want the little dots on your lace, so that's why you're supposed to bleach your knots. And I could see some little dots, so I was like, okay, so maybe it's not bleached. Or maybe it is, but it's just not bleached enough, so you might have to do that again with this. Also, it was plucked, but I plucked it just a little bit more because she was still looking a little thick in the hairline there for something that was pre-plucked. So I did go back and pluck it a little bit, but just a little bit, because again, I would rather have a thicker hairline than apparently making myself bald by plucking too much there. I washed it, I conditioned it, I straightened it. I didn't have any shedding with this. It was really soft hair. I'm not mad, you know, that I bought this as my tester wig. Again, they do have 3 different lengths that you can choose from. And again, when it came, it was probably down to here-ish, and I did cut it up here. So I feel like you can play around with the length even for a bob. So yeah, now I think I can go ahead and end this video. Okay, so I don't know why I'm so giggly. So that is it for this video. I hope, you know, watching my struggle install here was at least amusing for some of you out there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.